Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries of Virginia. It's not just dainty. This is Prunus in size Yamadei. And Prunus Yamadei is a mini flowering cherry, smothered in nodding white flowers. It's got lovely autumn leaf colour as well. Will only grow roughly about 1.5 meters and makes a lovely little crown on top. Perfect in pots and containers or out in the middle of a bed, middle of a lawn. But nice dainty flowering cherry, won't make a mess, and will create lots and lots of colour every year. But it's just a lovely nodding white flower. Have a look up into the flowers there. It's a gorgeous mini cherry. Just keep an eye on the bark, take any growth that comes on the stem away. Apart from that, it's a very easy one to manage. But the plant is normal planting, super thrive at the bottom, a little bit of swell white compost and soil on top, and the same banking around. This mini cherry will be in your garden for years and years to come, displaying these gorgeous white nodding flowers in spring and lovely autumn leaf colour. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.